Hello children, welcome to Minutes of Maths. Today I am going to teach you class 9 chapter 7 triangles exercise 7.2 question number 3. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides of AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. This is the figure given in the question. In the question, they are telling this triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which the side AB is equivalent to AC. And there are two altitudes BE and CF drawn to the side AB and AC respectively. So, the CF is perpendicular to AB so that these two lines will make an angle, right angle. And BE is perpendicular to AC. So, line BE and AC will make a right angle. So, these two are right angle. We have to prove these two altitudes are equal to each other. We have to prove this. For that, what we have to do? We have to take the triangle ABE and the triangle ACF. Then, we have to prove first these two are congruence triangle. If we prove these two are congruence triangle, you can see these two lines are corresponding parts of the congruence triangle. So, we have to prove first ABE and ACF both are congruence. Let's prove. First, we have to consider the triangle ABE and ACF. So that I have written in triangle AEB and ACF, this angle is common for both the triangle. So, this is one triangle and this is another triangle. You can see this angle is common for both the triangles. So, I can write angle angle A is equivalent to angle A. This is common for both the triangle. Next, these two altitudes are perpendicular to AB and AC respectively. So that I have taken these two angles equal to each other because both are 90 degree. Angle AEB is equivalent to angle AFE. So that two angles are equal to each other. And then one side is equal to each other, that is given in the question because this ABC is the isosceles triangle in which you can see AB is the one of the side of AEB and AC is the one of the side of ACF. So I can write AB is equivalent to AC. Now we have two equal angles and one side. So according to AAS congruency rule, I can say these two triangles are congruence. So if the two triangles are congruence, then we can say this AB and AC are equal because both are corresponding parts of congruence triangle. That's it. Let's move on to next question. Question number 4. ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB are equal. Show that triangle ABE is equivalent to triangle ACF. And next is AB is equivalent to AC. That is ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is the figure given in the question. You can see this is the same figure which we have explained earlier in the question 3. Same figure in Question number 3, they have given AB and AC are two equal sides. That means ABC is an isosceles triangle. We had to prove BE is equivalent to CF. In this question, they have given these two altitudes are equal to each other. We need to prove these two triangle ABE and ACF are equal to each other and AB is equivalent to AC. That means we need to prove the given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Let's prove by writing the steps. So for this also, we are going to take the same triangle ABE and ACF to prove this given ABC is an isosceles triangle. First we'll take these two triangle. You can see already this altitudes are equal to each other. They have given in the question. That means BE is equivalent to CF. And these two are altitude for the base AB. So this AB and CF will make an angle right angle and this AC and the line BE will make right angle. So both are 90 degree each. So one more thing, this angle is common for both the triangles. So I can write angle A is equivalent to A and angle AEB is equivalent to angle AFC. Both are right angles and BE is equivalent to CF given in the question. The lines are equal, BE and CF. So according to AAS congruency rule, I can say ABE is equivalent to triangle ACE. Now, if you see this ABAC are two corresponding parts of the congruency triangle of ABE and ACF. So that we can write AB is equivalent to AC according to CPCT by CPCT. If AB is equivalent to AC, then we can say given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This AB and AC are equal to each other. So that ABC is an isosceles triangle. That's it. Thank you.